This is a portrait of Moringa, a tree that has surprised us again and again with its strength, speed, and generosity. We first met Moringa in 2015. Back then, we bought a small seedling from a local nursery and planted with high hopes alongside our early fruit trees. I gave it a lot of care, but it didn't make it through that winter. 2 years later, during a gardening workshop, we received a few seeds. With a bit of hesitation and a bit of hope, we planted them in our yard. This time, they grew and fast. One seedling in particular amazed us. It grew over 10 feet tall within 2 years. Then in winter, strong winds knocked it down, completely uprooted. And it happened again the following year. Both times, I simply lifted it back up, staked it, trimmed it down, and each time it bounced back as if nothing had happened. The same tree is still thriving today. Another Moringa stayed small in a pot for 2 years, but once I transplanted it into the ground, it took off. I've moved it several times, dug it up, relocated, and it just keeps going. I honestly can't think of another tree so steady, so unbothered by adversity. And this one, I even pruned it down 2 years ago, thinking I'd reclaim the space for other plants. It still bounced back. Moringa loves summer. It thrives in the heat, growing fast and full, with a canopy of soft, feathery leaves. In winter, it slows down. The leaves turn yellow and fall. But by spring, it comes back to life, offering leaves, flowers, and long, rigid seed pods that dangle like green drumsticks. We've never had to deal with pests on our Moringa trees. They seem to take care of themselves quietly and gracefully, and what they give us in return is remarkable. The leaves, tender and slightly purpery, are rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Some enjoy them raw in salads, though we prefer to harvest them young and saute them with garlic for a quick, flavorful green dish. The flowers are edible too, small, creamy white, with a subtle fragrance. My favorite way to enjoy them? Scrambled with eggs. Light, fragrant, and surprisingly satisfying. Then there are the pods, sometimes called Moringa beans. We pick them young and soft, slice them, and either boil them in soup or serve them as a simple side. The flavor is mild and grassy, like a cross between green beans and asparagus. Even the mature seeds tucked inside dry brown pods are full of nutrients. They are bitter at first, but if you drink water afterward, a surprising bittersweet flavor lingers in your mouth. It is a very interesting experience. Commercially, they are pressed for oil or dried into powder for supplements. We've seen Moringa leaf powders and seed oils sold at health stores for quite a price. But here in our garden, we get to enjoy it all, fresh, organic, and straight from the source. The more I learn about Moringa, the more I admire it. Originating from the Himalayan foothills of northern India and Pakistan, Moringa, often called the miracle tree, has been valued for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine. Warriors once consumed it to build strength before battle. Today, it's still considered a life-sustaining plant across Asia, Africa, and beyond. And yet, here it is, growing in our Southern California yard, quietly doing its work. To care for Moringa, all it really asks is warmth, sunshine, and well-drained soil. In its first year, it benefits from regular watering to build strong roots, but once established, it's drought-tolerant and forgiving. It doesn't like frost, so in colder climates, it may need protection or go dormant. A good pruning each year keeps it manageable and makes harvesting easier too. For us, Moringa is more than a source of food. It's a symbol of resilience, a tree that falls and rises again, a plant that grows fast but never feels rushed, a quiet companion that gives and gives without fuss. This is our Moringa story, from a fallen seedling to a thriving presence in our garden. It truly is a remarkable tree. Until next time, happy gardening.